Tired of hunting for the download button in OneDrive? I get it. You just want the file on your computer, not floating around in some cloud. Here's exactly how to export any file in 2 clicks. First, you'll locate your file, then click Download. I'll show you both steps with real screenshots from my own account so you can follow along perfectly. So let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open up your OneDrive account in your web browser. This is the part where some folks get a little lost, so I want to make sure we're on the same page. You'll see all your folders and files spread across the screen. Now, take your time and navigate to the folder where your file is sitting. It might be under Documents or Pictures, or maybe you have a custom folder. Just find your way there. Once you're in the right spot, the next move is simple. You need to click on the actual file you want to download. Just a single click. And here's the thing. Make sure you're clicking directly on the file name or the icon, not just anywhere near it. A single click will highlight it, and that's exactly what we want. If you double-click by accident, you might open the file in a preview window. That's okay. You can just close that preview and try again with a single click. So just one clean click on the file, and you'll see it get a light gray or blue highlight around it. That's your confirmation that the file is selected and ready for the next step. Now, once the file is selected, we move to the download step. This is the moment where all that frustration melts away. Look up at the menu bar at the top of your OneDrive window. You'll see a row of buttons, things like New, Upload, and then a whole bunch of icons. You want the Download button. It's usually represented by a little arrow pointing downward, and it says Download right next to it. Just click that button. And here's the really important part. Once you click it, your browser will take over. Depending on your browser settings, the file might start downloading automatically and appear at the bottom of your window or in your Downloads folder. You might see a little progress bar flash by. For larger files, this might take a moment to process, just a few seconds normally. But for most documents and pictures, it's almost instant. You'll now have a local copy of that file sitting safely on your hard drive. You can open it, share it, move it to a USB drive, or do whatever you need to do with it. Just a quick note on something people often ask about. If you need to download multiple files at once, you can hold down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac and click each file you want. Then click the same Download button. OneDrive will package them into a zip folder for you, which makes it super convenient. But for now, we are sticking with the basics of just one file. So that is it. From being stuck with files only accessible online to having them safely downloaded to your local drive. It really is just 2 steps. Find your file, click it once, then hit that download button. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go grab those files and put them right where you want them.